Hi! Welcome to Creative Chris and Rachel. This is me Rachel and my cousin Chris. Today I will be showing you how to make a ballerina girl. Now to start with, take a sheet of card paper and draw the outline of a ballerina and cut it out. The link for the template of the ballerina will be given in the description down below. Now, color the cutout ballerina in black. Frill a piece of net cloth or any other soft material cloth and stick it to the hip of the ballerina. You could make the tutu a little more shorter or long as we have done. If you have any old Jenga blocks, take 3 of them, or a square wooden block will work just as fine. If you're taking 3 old Jenga blocks, glue them together as shown. And paint them with the color of your choice and give them 2 coats. Take a pin and poke a hole in the block and make sure not to make it too deep. Take an outline of the ballerina's leg on which it is standing on in a piece of cardboard and cut it out and stick it as shown so that she can stand and not fall. Insert a pin through the hole in the cardboard which we attach to the back of the ballerina's leg. You can adjust it with glue if it does not stay properly or the cardboard has bigger holes. Attach the ballerina to the hole we made in the block before. Now our ballerina girl is ready. Thanks for watching and do not forget to like our videos and subscribe our channel. Bye!